Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Binance account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Binance account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Binance application. The home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. Click on Binance icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Sign Up Login option. You can log into your Binance account using your email, phone number or Google account as well. Choose any one of the option. Here I'm going to go with email. Enter your email address and tap on Next. On the next page, enter your password associated with your Binance account and tap on Next. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Enter your verification code sent to your email address and click on Submit. You will be logged into your Binance account in no time. This is how you can log into your Binance account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.